How's it going, team? Oh, let me move my camera just a little bit. There we go. How's it going, team? Happy Sunday. Thanks for tuning in with me. I'm Corey, and today we're going to work on my blog some more at coreyja.com. We've gotten this set up in, the past few weeks, months kind of time frame, and this is currently live. And while I think about it, let's check out its stats real quick. It's like analytics kind of stuff. It's currently running on fly. You can see that in my little environment tag here, but all of my analytics are just looking at the raw trace data from the server in Honeycomb. So let's just take a gander at that while we're here. My posts index was popular there for a bit. Nothing exciting. What is this time period? Original time period, not helpful. 7 days? Let's go with 7 days. There we go. 300 views in 7 days. Not bad, not very much. The Minimax post got 25 page views. And my Today I Learned's got a few. Yeah, so nothing too exciting here, but always fun to check out. So today we are going to be working on this pull request, this add newsletter pull request. Let's get my local all set up here for that. So we're gonna add a newsletter. We want to add a little newsletter sign-up box to the bottom of the page. Oops, I don't want fuzzy checkout. Does not take args there. Then it fuzzies. There we go. Okay. This should be that. Let's do a cargo. No, Rust stuff update. Let's grab a new version of Rust. I feel like there might be one. Oh, Rust stuff update. Yeah, there we go. We'll give it a second to give us a new version of Rust. In the meantime, how's it going, everybody? How is your Sunday? I'm excited to get this newsletter launched. I think I need to start doing things like that for this personal brand that I'm trying to develop. So I am actually very excited for this. I'm giving a talk at RustConf in September. So I was working on my presentation this weekend. Which was really fun and exciting. A little nervous, but that's okay. And the other thing that I was thinking of there is I kind of would like to have a little more of my personal brand ready to show off at RustConf. Like I would love to have a intro course for free, or maybe an intro course and then a paid one that you could pre-order available, or something like that in September. I think would be perfect. Like if I could tail end from RustConf into, selling some courses, or at a minimum getting people on my newsletter and things like that. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna newsletter. Let's check out the branch. It is up here. Let's get a new terminal so I can run Overmind. That then should set up something at localhost 3000. Let's put the real one up here. Yeah, there we go. Live site. Awesome. Okay, the localhost 3000, is it booting? It is not. What is going on over here? Oh, I forgot. New Rust version, gotta compile. So we'll get there in a minute. So I think what this branch has, if I remember correctly, and I wrote no description, so I just have to remember correctly. I'm pretty sure it adds a form to the footer where we can sign up for the newsletter. And I think right now it goes right to ConvertKit. Yep, you can see I have even have hard-coded my subscription ID into the form right now. And it just goes right to them, HTML form style. And that's probably gonna work. I'm not sure we will mess with that today. We might. But the other thing is I think I want a page that explains the newsletter a little bit, what I'm trying to do. And we're gonna work on that today, and the copy for that. There's a chance this will be a little bit of a writing heavy and not a coding heavy stream, but that's okay. More just letting you all know than anything. Let's open up Inspector here. None of these are, is this what I wanted? Capture a portion, no. No, these are all those things. I just want the Inspector. I want this button. There we go. Are these the same on the top and bottom? Yeah, they definitely are. Space Y 8. Oh, padding Y of 16 is actually the one that I'm looking for there, but that's perfect. This one just has a big base, like a font height. It just takes up a bit of space there. Makes it look a bit uneven potentially, but I think it's fine. Oh, let me check on my stream on my iPad here. Okay, looks like all is good. It just got paused, so I saw a black screen and got scared. Yeah, okay, so this form works, but I think I don't love how it looks. So let's play around with that a little bit. There's a few nitpicky things that I want to mess with. This, I don't like the line height of it. Tailwind, line height, and I want leading none, I think is actually what I want on this one. So I want it to just be super snug. Clippy is going nuts. Not bad, but just gotta. Okay, there we go. Oh no, still Clippy down there. There we go. I must have accidentally moved over there, but that's okay. This is locals. Make this all caps. Locals. Nice and easy. And let's move a tailwind up there because I think I'm going to want it. That does look a bit better to me, I think. Yeah, newsletter now just doesn't have any extra padding around it. Which like probably doesn't look good for normal titles, but in this case, I like it. Yeah, I like that tagline a bit. I'm gonna need to expand on it. But that's okay. Do I wanna... I don't know what I want to do. I think I just want a newsletter page, and then I'm gonna write some words about my newsletter. I think let's go with that. Nitpick, fix spacing in newsletter, sign up footer. Perfect. Now let's make a page for newsletter. Let's rename this though, and this is like newsletter sign up footer. Yeah. Oh, it's just in footer. Mm-hmm. Like I could put footer in its own mod. I kind of want to do that. Mod footer. Use footer. Footer. And then you just take all of these. Probably could have had Rust Analyzer do most of this for me, but I didn't. Oh, no, I don't have this in here. That's fine. Import that. Oh, this didn't make it in there. Haha, that's funny. And then this can all move to its own file. These can all go up here. Awesome. Yeah, so let's make a header one as well. Mod header. Copy from here, header link, header link, header. Yep. All of you goes into header. And then I think I can just do a pub use header header. That's my thought, is that I can just do that. This can go to its own file. And then header is just going to need a few imports, but I can do that. Oh, it needs that too. Yep. Render. Escape. Hey, Backward Spy, how's it going? Good to have you hanging out. We are working on my blog today. What we're actually trying to do. I wonder if I actually updated the. Let's check real quick. It says Project Wednesday and it's Sunday. But you know, we're doing blog work, so the stream title's not super wrong. We're working on the blog. What we're gonna do today, though, is launch a newsletter. So I have this newsletter, a little footery for me thingy that we're working on, and I'm actually working on a top level. Well, next up, I'm doing some organizing. Next up is gonna be a top level page for the newsletter where I can explain it, and I think also that page is gonna help me figure out what I want to write in the newsletter. Figure it out by telling people what I'm going to write and writing it. So yeah, we're doing some newsletter stuff today, basically. But right now I'm just organizing, moving Rust code around, making some more mods for stuff. How is it going? You were real busy last time we chatted. Has work eased up at all for you? Okay, looking good there. Oh, nope, this one needs to be imported. Oh, it's because it's a pub use, and that one's not a pub use. Wonder what head and header are. Oh, trialing a 4-day work week. That sounds awesome. I tried to get that going for myself and my teammates, and we got some summer Fridays. We're doing we got a few summer Fridays, but not an official, like, you know, 4-day every week kind of thing. I'm a little jealous. That sounds awesome. Oh, thank you for the follow, Livaya Sama. Hopefully I pronounced that reasonably. If I did not, please correct me. Fridays off though sound really nice. How many of those have you had so far? Just curious. How have you been liking it? You couldn't have removed both unused imports for me there, Rust Analyzer? Not a big deal, but I need to figure out those stream sounds. I feel like they're getting duplicated and a bit delayed. Okay, let's just commit this reorganizing and actually start making progress. Reorg. Nice. Okay, let's make a new page. I do this every time. I don't have this organized well enough yet that I actually know where to hop to, which isn't great. I really need to, you know, organize this a little better so that I know where I'm trying to get to. So this is just newsletter. And a newsletter index. Newsletter index? No, this is just going to be newsletter get, just because I don't know what this is. It's just naming, but we're going to call it that for now. Let's see what chat says. Backwards Spy, just one Friday off so far. Really enjoyed the long weekend. It's a 3-month trial to start with, so they can evaluate how it goes, see if productivity changes, etc. Nice, nice. That's awesome. Hopefully it goes well for you and you can continue, because it sounds very nice. I feel like it, you know, obviously not knowing your company and situation there, I feel like it'll go well. I've always thought that it would. I can't really imagine it going super poorly. But I think that's me also being a little biased to, you know, really wanting to have a 4-day work week. Ooh, what did you do there? That method doesn't exist at all. But, like, that was fine. We could put a template under newsletter that's called newsletter page. Like, we could do that. Like this module doesn't exist, but I can make it, maybe. Oh, but not from there I can't. That would've been really cool if that worked. So let's do a mod newsletter. You can make it pub to the crate, I think, because might as well. Create it there. Newsletter, and then I said I made this. Can I just tell it to make that now? Yeah, awesome. It's gonna return some markup, I imagine. Man, let's just HTML. Let's just do this. Make it an empty HTML for the moment. That needs some imports. Import that. Import that. There we go. Okay, and then I should go to the newsletter. And it renders me a nice blank page. Perfect. Okay. So now what? Let's add a link to the header. Perfect. Newsletter. Well, that won't render there because I don't have that. I guess I might as well just add base to newsletter though. Probably base constrained. That's what I called it. Base constrained. Did I just spell it wrong? Or is it just not want to help me with the import? Nah, I just spelled it wrong. Okay, there we go. Well, I saw it there. There we go. Okay. That's going to be good here, though we might need to worry about mobile a little faster. Yeah, that was what I was worried about. Yeah, but once it hops down, it's great. So I just think I just need to do that faster. So like right here is where it's bad. Let me try to make that hop down faster then. Base. Better. Okay. Where's the break point? Which one of you is my break point? Might be this one. You start as a column and you become a row at small. What if you became a row at medium? There might be more things I might need to change there though. Yeah, okay, so that was right though, but I think then I need to change all the things that say small here to medium, like, okay, so let's do that in bulk. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Substitute dash small for medium globally. Yeah, that just means multiple times in a line. Okay. Wait, did it not do it though? Wait, what? Okay, but it didn't do it to that one. That's interesting. Substitute small for medium. There we go. Okay. That looks good. Nice. See, but that means that that's a little bit annoying, right? Because like those prefixes, I really would like them grouped more, not like just thrown in as prefixes. Also, I kind of feel like all my font sizes look a little small to me. What size is this right now? 16. 16 quicksand. That's not too small. I think we'll be okay with that for now. Am I zoomed to 0? Yeah, I'm zoomed to 0. Okay, that's good. We'll do that. Newsletter. Oh, nice. Now it actually brings me to this page because I added the base in there. Perfect. There's a little hopping going on. That's interesting. Does that happen with that closed too? Yep. Oh, it's the scroll bar. Okay, well, not sure if we're gonna deal with that then. Cool. Oh, wow, I love having the newsletter thing at the bottom here. It looks really good. Okay, now let's actually just make the newsletter page, I guess. Oof, okay. What does the post page look like? Wait, do I not even posts? No, blog posts. Yeah, okay. I must have just been looking at something different. Okay. In mod. Posts index goes to here. Ah, got it. Okay. Newsletter. Yes, we have pages versus templates. Now this is just in templates. Ugh. I am not being consistent. Okay, so like what is my newsletter? It's a newsletter. Oof, now I have to like write words or say things about the newsletter. That one's gonna be a hard part. Okay, well let's just get some bullet points out and we'll reorganize them in a minute. I guess I'll just make an unordered list then. This seems like a thing to do. That was kind of cool. I don't love, like, that's not exactly what I want to say. Newsletter comes out on Fridays. Newsletter will be sent out on Fridays. Is sent out? Let's do is. The newsletter, I just feel like it needs a name. That's okay. The newsletter comes out on Fridays. Like, what would be the name of my newsletter? Ooh, that's a fun one. To do. What is the name of my newsletter? Yeah, of the newsletter. On Fridays. And will be added to the blog, and will be added to the blog on Saturdays. Sign up below to get it in your inbox 1 day early. Okay, cool. Get how long it takes to reload here. So before stream, I was real excited to get this newsletter page added, which I still am, but now I actually have to like figure out what I want to write on the page, and that's a little interesting. Okay, so like that's not false. Well, this isn't really true. Well, like I do. So I think I want to publish the newsletters to my blog because I need content, and the newsletters are a great way for me to write weekly. So the weekly content's going to go on the blog. It's totally fine that they contain a summary of the week's posts. That would be fine, Copilot. But I don't think this is really true because they're gonna make it on the blog eventually, which is fine. As well as more ramblings from me. These are also definitely not sentencing. each week will be different. Some weeks I'll share status updates on the project I'm working on, and others you'll get in other weeks I'll share about share about something I learned or a new tool I've been trying out. I like that. That sounds good. You're fine. What else do I want to say? I like having the name of a newsletter. That feels like a good thing to have. I'm not coming up with anything. coreyja weekly or something. It's not my favorite, but like it would work. I kind of like this idea, so I think I'm gonna add this. If there is a specific topic you'd like me to write about, check out my GitHub sponsors page for more blah, blah, blah. Do I want to say drop me a line? Like, I want to say send me an email or do this? No, I think I'm just gonna push people to get up sponsors at the moment. Or information about how you can sponsor a post. You get to pick the topic, and I'll put it in an upcoming newsletter post. Okay, so that needs to be done, right? Like I need to actually add a tier for that to get up sponsors, but that's easy enough to do. Got an itch on my neck. Okay. So this is not gonna look good. What's it look? Oh yeah, just text. Oh, it doesn't have that on it. That'll help a bit. I could add the max widthy thing to it. Max width pros. Perfect. Still like, don't like those, but that's okay. Flex column, I think. Space in the Y of 8. Should space these out a good bit now. Yeah, that was perfect. I don't actually like the bullet points, so I don't think they're gonna stay, but I actually think I like yeah. My coreyja is not stylized with the capital C. It's lowercase c. I wonder if I've done that wrong anywhere else. Yes, I have. A few places. Not many, though. Wait. Oh, this is like in the post of this. This is the only place that really needed to change. It was in the RSS. title for my blog, and it was wrong. Oh, okay, so a few things on the list here. Let's write them down. Let's make a to-do list here. To-do. Add post sponsor slot to GitHub sponsors. I want to, what was the thing I was just saying? Dang it. Oh, add RSS feed for newsletters. Add newsletter posts to site. This one's gonna be the most interesting. I think the moment I'm just gonna manually copy and paste the thingy to the newsletter platform and then copy and paste the thingy to a post. And I think that'll just be the easiest. Was there other things that I wanted to do here? And then I guess I should just make a to-do item for making sure first email with subscribe button. It's content in ConvertKit. ConvertKit is the platform I'm using for the newsletter. I'm trying my best to resist the urge to write a newsletter platform inside my blog. So we are going to try to have ConvertKit do it for us. Did that save? It did. Cool. Checking in on the iPad really quick. Cool. Looks good to me. Awesome. Okay. Okay, let's go back to the newsletter here. Okay. Kind of like the words that I have. Don't love the presentation of it all for sure. And so I think then underneath all this, which doesn't exist yet, I can do an H2 or something maybe. Class of text 2XL. It's not sign up. That's not what I want this to say. I want to say past posts, past articles, past newsletters, past newsletters. I don't know, not my favorite. Okay, so then the newsletters page like would have a list of past newsletters, but we don't have any. My monitor has this like black mark on it that I just haven't messed with, but I think it might just be like actual dead pixels on my monitor, which is unfortunate. Maybe I don't call it that. What is this? Newsletter. My iPad was having some problems there, but we're good now. If I wanted to do something I wanted it to be more like that, which is what? Leading light, text to subtitle, if that makes sense. Subtitle. Yeah, that looks fine to me. Margin bottom 16. Give us some breathing room for this. Yeah, I really need to work on that. Like, it's too long. Yeah. Leading loose. That should give everything some space here. Actually, yeah, it's better, but not quite as much as I expected, to be honest. Adding Y of 16, give some space on the top and bottom. Coming soon, huh? The first scheduled coreyja weekly is set to be released on July. I don't know, it's a week. I don't want to do that. I think I can do. It is the 9th, so the 16th would be the day I'm looking for. Check back here. Sign up below. You get it in box on the 16th, or check back in on the 17th when it's posted here. Ooh, okay, too much on the bottom. Heading top of that, heading bottom of like 8. Heading bottom of like 4. Okay. That. Because then the idea here was that I wanted to do something like bolding it. A huge fan of how I have to do this. Yeah, that wasn't the most fun. Like, if I'm just writing, everything should support Markdown. So, relatedly, I think the first post for the newsletter is gonna be this thing about my perfect web framework. And so all copy in templates should support Markdown. I don't want to have to create a span with classes just to bold some text mid-sentence. Because like that was annoying, right? All I wanted to do was get Fridays and Saturdays folded. First of all, I'm not even sure I like how that's gonna look. But second of all, it just took way too long. I do like that. I think I might put in a word what's a horizontal rule, but I don't know if horizontal rule is what I want. I just want a line break. I don't want a horizontal rule, just a BR. A break. Horizontal rule. Oh. I don't know that I wanted. I don't want those. Okay. I didn't trust my iPad for a sec, but we're all good. This needs to be different. No. New posts in your inbox every Friday. Edit to on Saturday. Sign up below to get to read one day early. Not one password. There we go. Let's try this. Yeah, I like that. Margin bottom of like 12. This that part now goes away. Liking this music. Just one tiny bit of space between these two. There's different sides, right? Yeah. Yeah. I'm liking this. Like, there's some space over here. Feels like I could throw something or something, but it's good. We're not gonna right now. The newsletter will contain a summary of the week's posts as well as more ramblings from me. Each week will be different. Some weeks I'll share status updates on the projects I'm working on, and others I'll share about something I learned or a new tool I've been trying out. If there's a specific topic you'd like me to write about, check out my GitHub sponsors page for information on how you can sponsor a post. You get to pick the topic, and I'll write about it in an upcoming newsletter. Love it. Past newsletters coming soon. The first scheduled coreyja Weekly is set to be released on July 16th. some breathing room too. Hit that button. I like that. This is great. I just want the max width, and I don't need it here anymore because everything is gonna be wrapped. Oh, that's another thing that I need to add to this list for this. Everything must auto format. Missing auto format inside HTML bang right now. That might just mean I have to do extra work to make sure that it's supported, but well worth it. I need auto format. I can't go back to a world where things don't automatically format for me. It sounds crazy. Okay. Well, that does that. I'm done with that now. Font render is a little interesting. I wonder if I can fix that. Oh, but let's commit this. GCA ticket. Newsletter page mostly ready to go. Oh, got another viewer recently. How's it going, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. We got a newsletter page added to my blog just now. And we've got this handy form at the bottom to sign up for the newsletter. I think I want to just work on the text here. But then there's really not too much else. I think I should just make these paragraph text. They're being a list item makes no sense. Virgin Live 8 leading loose. Perfect. I want leading loose everywhere. It turns out I don't want it everywhere. I want it just on the paragraphs where it makes sense. Really should be consistent about my class styles. So this list at the moment is being very much about the front-endy things. Tailwind class extension should work. I like having autocomplete for Tailwind classes is basically the story there. And what I mean by that is there's two different syntaxes of this moud macro that I'm using. I can do class equals, and this now knows that it's a class, so the Tailwind extension can like do all the fun stuff. But this style with the dot, it makes a class just the same, but now Tailwind doesn't know that this is a class, so like I don't get any autocomplete for anything, which is unfortunate. Sounds good, Backward Spy. Go have some dinner. See you in a bit if I am still on. Okay, so we just did some spacing. Yeah, that looks better. I like the leading of the titles. They were already looking fine. Um, and the paragraphs just wanted some spacing. Cool. Cool. Okay. Touch up paragraph spacing. Cool. Okay, let's... don't think I have anything that's being tested reasonably here. Let's figure out some... let's get some of these lints, though. Oh. That's fine. That one didn't bother me because it was in a post and it didn't really matter to me if I was using tabs there, but... I like it. Awesome. Woohoo! Lints! Just some lints. Okay, let's see. We got that added. We got the newsletter down here. I don't like the words of that at the moment. Newsletter. Oh, that was one step here. Okay. Oh no, this is this newsletter though. I put it in footer. I put it in footer. Yeah, because it's right next to footer. Okay, tailored for developers who are eager to grow together in web development. Yeah, okay, what if I change this to coreyja weekly? My weekly newsletter. Tailored for developers who are eager to grow together. What do we want to say? We'll cover topics like, I don't really like that. Every week will be unique, but expect topic like web development, Rust, but expect topics focusing around web development and Rust. I'm not really sure I like that either, but I think it's better. My weekly newsletter tailored for developers who are eager to grow together. Every week will be unique, but expect topics focusing around web development and Rust. That was pretty good. I'm fine with that. I don't like the period at the end. My weekly newsletter tailored to developers, tailored for developers, tailored at developers who are eager to grow together. Yeah, I like grow together. We're eager to grow with me. I like with me, I think. Leading loose. 1, 2, 5-ish. Yeah, okay, I can be okay with that. Okay. And then when I get small enough here... Okay, so still not even like... Oh, it's close though. Oh, it's so close. What size is large? I think large is 1024. Oh yeah, that's actually pretty. I could make that large and it wouldn't be that big of a problem. Breakpoints. Oh nope. Breakpoints. Well, I don't want custom ones. I just want to know what yours are. Yeah, large. Let's go with large. Header. Oh, newsletter. Sign up. Copy. Tweaks. Cool. Did that. Header link. That's fine. Yeah, it's gotta be new news. Substitute / medium for large globally. Save locals. Okay, that might need a max width of like smaller than that. Oh, large at max width is large. Okay. At large max width is medium. How about that? At medium max width was large. That's fine. Oh. Yeah, and then when you're large, oh no, when you're, oh yeah, well, I want them both to apply, right? I really want the min of that and that, right? Yeah. Yeah, I could do that. I can just pad it for small sizes so that it's not a max width. Oh, that's perfect. That's great. I like that. Ooh, okay, so I might actually still need some work on an iPhone for that. Header though looks great, honestly. That looks perfect. Perfect. Okay. Responsive is hard. Because if I go to like mobile, looks okay. Oh, whoa. Does not look okay. It's this thing's fault. Yeah. Yeah, well that fixes that, but now it ain't doing the right thing. Okay. So like flex. Oh. Flex row. So I want it to be like flex column, and then at medium you become flex row. Is it kind of what I'm saying? Oh, so 640 is small. Oh, okay, so I can make this as small, do that. Because like right there, that's... Does it know that I have breakpoints set at those numbers? Oh, that's nifty as all hell. Okay. Yeah, so here though, what is center? Okay, so these things are center. Justify center. That's small, that makes sense. Justify start. It's the aligned items. Once we get to the small size, we'll center. Adding bottom 4, small, adding bottom 8, and then add bottom. Yeah, okay. Space in the y direction of 4, 8, and then at small space in the y 0. Actually, wait, I might not need that response. Space in the y of that might just kind of be implied there. Too much. What? Why is just one of these messed up? What? That's amazing. Oh. Oh, interesting. Okay, so that just doesn't make any sense. Didn't really expect that to happen though. Work. That'll work, except it's too much. Half of it. Yeah, where's that coming from? I don't really like it. Can I get rid of it easily? Oh, yeah, for sure. Header link. Once you're small, once we hit 640, they pop to that, and then that makes sense. Yep, love it. Love, no, but I like it. What's funny though is the Oh, and even this one's not that, right? Yeah, we're at 390. Yeah, like it's just so far away. It's kind of crazy. Yeah, iPad Pro. Yeah, of course. Yeah. Okay. But there's like the newsletter needs some spacing down here for sure. I don't want to make it bigger. Yeah, so it eventually max widths. Something has the pros. This does. So I think this just wants a padding X of 4. It's really just for small screens. Oh, that's perfect. Is 4 what I'm using up here? Yeah. Yep. Perfect. Yeah, that looks so much better. Just needed a little bit of space there. Okay. I think this needs some less spacing. It's not in header, it's the homepage. This. Adding top of 8. And then it medium, keep on padding top of 16. Making up numbers, but hacking it here seems like it's going to be the right call. Yeah, I can handle that. Font and spacing tweaks. Okay, let's remind myself how I'm doing Google Font. Awesome. Display equals swap. Google Font display property. That's not what I wanted. Like swap. Yeah. Okay. Font display. Auto. Block. Draws invisible text at first if it's not loaded. Gives the font place a short block period and an indefinite swap period. Yeah. Oh. In other words, yeah. This value should only be used when rendering text in a particular font is very important for the page, but rendering in any font will get a correct message across. It should only be used for small pieces of text. Huh. Interesting. Most values have a default policy similar to that of block. If the font can be used immediately, the font is used, otherwise treated. Yeah. I don't like any of those options. Like, I guess to fix the thing that I was talking about, I could change this to block. And then I think if I reload the page, Woof. Oh yeah. Now they always render beautifully. But I also think that it's a little bit because of the fact that I have this on. Because the disable cache thing means it's gonna load this every time. Yeah, see how it... What if I do that? Now I click around. Yeah, the font's already here. Swap's what I want. It just happens that when I develop, I get a worse experience because of the cache. From memory, yeah. Nice. Okay, that makes sense. We're good with swap then. Oh yeah, forgot about this script. I'll remove that at some point. Okay. Oh yeah, let's look at these things. That's good enough for now. Yes, let's go look at my GitHub sponsors. Here's... Gotta see a little sneak peek of my dashboard there. Okay, one-time tiers. Yeah, this is a one-time tier. Thanks so much. 1 hour paired programming. Awesome. Oh, let's edit this one. Oh, that's funny. Let's make a $25 one. Oh wait, what if these look? Okay, so it's just that. So it's something like pick a newsletter topic. Thanks so much for the support. With this $25 donation, you can pick any topic you'd like me to cover in an upcoming newsletter. I'll reach out to anyone who signs up on this here to figure out your topic, your desired topic. Love it. Publish that tier. Awesome. Cool. That was easy. Mark that item off. Add RSS feed. We don't need to do that until we actually have things. Okay, so let's look at ConvertKit. Hopefully there's not. Okay, I don't think there's really any secrets in here, so we're just gonna do it. I don't have any subscribers, so there shouldn't be any emails or anything that I would leak. Come on. Where's the email that I needed to click on? Okay, here we go. Subscribers. It's not quite there. It's like this thingy. This thing. Call this my website. Form. because I'm pretty positive what I did is added this in with this HTML thing. I just make sure that I have the right ID. That definitely is the ID. Perfect. Awesome. Okay. Settings, domain name. Ooh, cool. So I'm gonna want to do that. By default, your primary domain is the company. If you already purchased domain name, yep. Cool. So we're definitely gonna want to do this, and the verified sending domain. We're definitely gonna want to do both of those. But I also want to look at the settings. Yeah, this. Perfect. I might change that email though, because that's Corey. You're getting weekly updates each Friday. Yeah, that's fine for now. I'll make this better later. Cool. Awesome. Okay, so now let's go like mess with my settings a little bit. Yeah, it's a free address. Yeah. Newsletter at coreyja.com. Newsletter? Yep. Add email. Okay, so now they're gonna send me a confirmation. I can go check that. Yeah, I already pulled up one email today. Let's see if I can not pull up another. See if my iPad email will work. Is it logged in? Perfect. Okay, so I gotta log in on my iPad, but I think I can do that quickly. Sorry, I had to lean over for Face ID there. Okay, so now I need to click the confirmation email in my other email. This is an adventure, team. We're working it out. Updates. Yep, this was me. This device. Okay. Now I need to go back to this, click verify. I should be logged in. Ta-da. Okay. That should refresh here. Set as default. Set as default. Okay, awesome. My time zone, Eastern time. Anti-spam laws require a physical address. Wow, that's pretty cool. Oh, let's do Friday at noon. Doesn't matter to me too much. This option will show a page to subscribers after they opt in, requesting them to provide consent for additional emails. This is to comply with data protection laws and regulations. It only works on forms, and your subscribers will be added to that. Subscribers will not get tagged if they're added. Okay, so I don't really think that's even going to apply to me, which is unfortunate, but... do you mean? Why would I want? Okay, so let me look at their knowledge base. Why would I want? Why would I or would I not want to add my main domain here? Like I could add it as a subdomain. If you already have a website on your custom domain, you'll want to use a subdomain. Perfect. Maybe weekly is a good one to use. I kind of like weekly. Weekly.coreyja.com. Okay, cool. Let's do that. Let's go to secrets mode for this real quick, because I think it'll be better. Because I'm going to log into my DNS provider, Pork Bun. Oh, wait. This is coreyja stuff. I don't think it's actually in Pork Bun. This is in AWS. Okay, that. Now we need an MFA code. I think I just need to grab that from my phone, which has the camera on it. So, sorry about this, team. This is gonna be a little interesting. Do I have a thing that... Okay, yeah. We're gonna do a little bit strange here. No camera. Hopefully you can still hear me. I'm not positive about that, to be honest, though. But let me grab my auth code, and then hopefully we can flip right back. This is what happens when you use your camera, or your phone as the camera, and you need a freaking auth code. Okay, well that first one was the wrong one. That was my work code. Oh wait, oh my gosh, cancel. Because that was the password one. Okay, there we go. Root this thing. There we go. Got it that time. Okay. Can I come back to secrets mode? And does the camera continue to work? No, the camera does not. Let's fix that. Of course, the camera doesn't want to work. Let's see. Uh-oh, team. There we go. Sorry about that. We had some technical difficulties, but I think we're back. We're still in secrets mode though, because I am in AWS messing with stuff, and I don't want to have to think about accidentally sharing secrets or anything. Okay, weekly is my subdomain. Here are my A values. Where do you want me to send them? That'll work. That and one more. Okay. Weekly coreyja, those 3 IPs, create records. View status of propagation. Awesome. It looks like it isn't verified yet. You'll need to add the DNS records. Yep. Okay. Waiting for AWS to say that, yep. AWS says it's propagated. The refresh button just ain't working at all. I click refresh to verify the changes. I don't even think the button is working though. But like that's okay. We can just, you know. Is that doing anything? Did they just test their thing in Chrome and it's just not gonna work in a non-Chrome browser? Wouldn't be the first time. Oh, verify DNS 404s. Nice. Oh yeah, because that has object in it. Nice. There's no way that's gonna work. Do you think it'll work in Chrome? Oh, I forgot that I'm still in secrets mode, so no one can see this. Um, but I just popped open the inspector for this, and ConvertKit is just 404ing on this page. So let's see if we can open up Chrome quickly and get this verified. We're gonna come out of secrets. If I can find the button. Overlapping screen ahead, that one. ConvertKits.com. See if we can log into ConvertKit here. And do it. Oh, I'm gonna need the freaking email thing again, aren't I? That's okay. Yep. Let's just jump to here and here and this and this and this. Dang it. Okay. Copy link address. Go to Chrome, paste it in. Annoying. Okay. We're in Chrome. Let's see if domains work over here. Oh, it looks like they might not. They might just be broken. Look at that. Just broken. Like, I wonder what that's supposed to be sending. Because it's definitely not supposed to be sending what it's sending. It's probably supposed to be this. Edit. Where's the edit this button? Isn't there an edit this button? I thought there was an edit this button so that I could mess with it. Override headers. Like, because I want to do a different thing. I want to post it to a different URL. Copy as fetch. That's what I wanted. Go. Haha. That was the correct post. Hey, love that. That was fun. Let's see. Can I add like a marker or something for that? That one was just really good. Add stream marker. It's probably too late for that marker to be useful. Oh, and it didn't even actually work. Okay, well, I tried. But we got the custom domain verified now. Love it. Awesome. Okay, and now let's like set up things to use this. Except let's not do it in Chrome. Let's go back to my real browser. Okay. Let's look at that form again. I'm logged out again? Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, that was me testing it a while ago. Nice. I'm not gonna get any visitor counts or anything here. Because it's just not how it works. Sign up? I don't know. Cool. So I guess I could give people that URL. I probably won't, but I could. Cool. Okay, so if I go to weekly.coreyja.com now. Oh, well, that'll do that. Oh, well, it doesn't have HTTPS, but it did bring me here correctly. Oh, well, we'll wait on the DNS for a bit then. I assume that's a them issue. Okay. I think I'm pretty good here now. Let's look at this. None of those were the page I wanted. This is the page I wanted. Yep. And ConvertKit seems to have the domains set up and everything. So I think we're pretty good there. We'll mess with an RSS feed for the newsletter later. Oh, that's just some tabs thing. That's fine. This is looking great. I think we will ship this newsletter. The only thing that I didn't do, which I think I'm just gonna not do at the moment, is change how this works. Because I think if I just click subscribe, it will, yeah, it just takes me away and puts me at ConvertKit, which is fine. That might even be like what I want, but it is a little interesting. I also think it has a lot of trouble signing myself up because it's me. I think it works better if I use different emails. I believe that's the case. Test sub at. Yeah, okay. And now, oh, because it's not, because I didn't confirm it. That's actually probably what I need to do in either of these cases. But it should let me know that, I think. Oh, but this does say need to mess with it because I'm just not positive if it's actually working. That's okay. I think I can mess with that offline, and I might need to play around with like having people sign up and seeing what's going on. But I think that'll do it today. We got that. Oh, let's ship this. We're gonna ship the PR. Oh, I made it a whip. Yep, it's ready for review. We're merging it. Squash and merge. Okay, yeah, that was really good. I really liked that. We got my blog, we got the newsletter all done and wired up so people can hopefully sign up for the newsletter from my site. You know, once it deploys in, let's call it 5 minutes. So that was awesome. I liked that a lot. I think with that, we're probably gonna wrap up for the day here, team. Thanks for coming and hanging out with me, though. I hope you had a good time. As always, you can find my blog at coreyja.com, and you can find my Discord in my GitHub profile if you want to come hang out and chat with me at any time. Come hang out. It's a good time. And with that, I think I will let's go to secrets for mode for just a minute, because I'm gonna go find someone to raid probably. I haven't done that in the last few weeks, but I think it's good to do for sure. So let's see what's going on. Let's find some programming type channels. I don't know. What is the name of the little thingy that I'm looking for? None of my people that I often see are hanging out here. Let's see, recommended for you. Yes. Sorry about this, team. Taking me just a minute to figure out this. How do I find the category? There we go. Software and game development. That's what they call
execution
it.
plan or a
There we go. Just didn't need audio there. Anyone doing Rust? I don't think so. Either that or I just didn't click that well, which is definitely possible. Let's see. Any more newer Rust people by chance, maybe? Where is the only reference to Rust on this page? It says it's right there. Can't make my browser work correctly. Okay, let's hang out and find someone. Doesn't look like we got any Rust people that I see at the moment. Oh, someone's rating games that people made. That's a fun one. A little less coding, though. I don't think I like the new searchy thingy for streams here. Like it's not my favorite way to do this. Yeah, we got some C#.
Been my experience.
Oops.
Like if I want to solve a problem.
Yeah, let's go do that one though, maybe. Let's go to my creator dashboard. That took me just a few minutes. Sorry about that, team, but we should be good to go and find someone to raid. Yeah, let's do this. We got a game dev person who seems like might as well give it a shot. So, thanks for coming along, everyone, and hope you have a good week. I'll talk to you here soon. Bye.